We have a lot to talk about here. A system rolling in tonight into tomorrow with a warm front is going to bring a variety of weather and then strong winds. So for tonight, snow tonight, rain tomorrow. So tonight is when this winter weather advisory has been issued. Best chance of snow, Flathead Valley, east of there in the Glacier region. Glacier is actually a winter storm warning. Strong winds, Marias Pass 6 to 10 inches. So the mountains in Glacier 6 to 10 inches. Valleys 1 to 4 inches. 4 is going to definitely be on the highest end. You're looking more in that 1 to 3 inch range, kind of that 1 to 2 inch range in the Flathead Valley here. Freezing rain also a possibility. South of there, an inch or less. West of there, an inch or less in the valleys, but heads up for freezing rain. Mountains 3 to 6 inches. Let's head south then. Winter weather advisories primarily for the mountains. Lookout, Lolo, Lost Trail Pass, 3 to 6 inches. And then tomorrow, check this out. We have strong winds. In the yellow here, this is a high wind warning. Valleys 40-50 mile per hour wind gusts. Models are saying the Bitterroot potentially could see 60 mile per hour wind gusts. That includes areas east towards Phillipsburg, Georgetown Lake, Anaconda, mountains 55 to 65 mile per hour winds. Wind advisory in the tan, gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. So what's happening? Look at that warm front that's going to be moving through, and that's going to roll through tonight. So we're going to see rain or a rain-snow mix, snow mixing in tonight. By tomorrow, behind that front, it's generally all rain, and this is when the winds are going to pick up as well by tomorrow afternoon. So active weather there, and then that moves out. High pressure rolls right back in. We have calm conditions to end the week.